So, Jason, one of the biggest things about us is we don't try and make money out of a conference, do we? You know, we try and make sure that we don't have high ticket prices so it's affordable for delegates to come or company owners to send their staff. We make sure that every single penny is spent making sure that everybody has the right level of service. And so one of the biggest things that comes out of this is having headline sponsors like Rightmove and people like that means we can actually afford to discount some of those tickets even further still. So just tell me how we're doing that.
Well, we're offering an early bird ticket for people to come in, get it booked and make sure that they're securing their space at the biggest conference in the sector for this year. Get in quick. It's only until the end of February. They are reduced down, and that's not just for our members, but for non-members as well. We want as many people at these conferences that we can get there. It's not just all about business owners. We want to see the negotiators there. We want to see the viewing staff there, because there's going to be something at this conference for absolutely everybody. But also, don't forget, there's an after show party. There are very, very limited tickets for that. Do not miss out on that, because I'll be there.
And I'll certainly be there.
Amazing speakers. We've already got 2 fantastic lined up already. We have the lovely, lovely Jenni Falconer, who's going to host it yet again. We remember her from last year. Brilliant. We've got a brilliant economist coming on as well that's going to talk to us all about the market, what's going to happen, and whether even the general election will be hit by us as well. So it's going to be great. That is Daisy McAndrew. You may have seen her on TV, so quite a good lineup already.
It's sounding good, but we've got more to announce, haven't we, Jason?
Lots more, some really, really big names. So get booked quick, because don't miss out.
So, but I think that's great, Jason, but surely we're going further again. I mean, who else have we got joining the whole roundup?
Well, we know that well-being is a huge part of agencies and what people want. This lady embodies everything, how to get over things, look after it. We show great grit and determination. We're really pleased that Katie Piper is coming along to speak on our stage.
And that's going to be quite an interesting conversation. I've already been briefed on what she's going to talk about. Very, very powerful stuff, Jason.
Superb. And we're actually going to invite questions in for Katie as well, that are going to go direct to the moderator on stage. So it is going to be even more interactive this year.